beauty studios. Come on in. Today, I want to share with you how we transformed this beautiful studio into our beauty oasis. But before we get started, I want to introduce to you one of my friends, my work wives, and my creative partner in crime, Bia. But let me go get her because I don't know where she's at.
Hi, I'm Bia. I work with nails here at the studio. I specialize in gels and Russian manicures. I've been working with CAIf for the last 2 years, and it's been such an honor to share this experience with her.
9 months ago, we started the process of creating by Bia times TRL. If you watched my How I Got the Studio Up and Running video, if you didn't, I'll leave it down below so you guys can take a look at that video. You'll understand the background of how me and Bia met. But a little background about us is about 9 months ago, we started working together. I used to rent a station out of a nail salon in the back, and I was just feeling I needed something more. And of course, I went out and I looked for it. One day, I stumbled across a place that Bia and I had envisioned. Prior, we were talking and like having little conversations about things that we envisioned for our life and our future. And, you know, somehow things just ended up working for us. Before we created this into a beauty space, it actually used to be a place where they stored cars, and it was a dump. It was a total mess. I'm just so shocked at what we created in a span of almost a whole year. In June 2025 will be a whole year that we've been in here, and it's mind-blowing to me. I can't believe we've been here so long. Enough of that. Now let's start our tour and show you around a little bit. Let's begin with our waiting area. Here's where most of our clients will walk in and take a seat, help themselves to some snacks, some treats. We have a snack cart here with water, trail mix, goldfish. We're constantly changing it. So right now that's what we have, but we're always rotating it around. We also have our reception area on this side that honestly we hardly use. It is one of our newest additions, but I mean, it's here, it's on display, it looks super cute, and we put our iPad here so people can come and switch the music, whatever they want to do. On that side over there, we have our projector. I think this projector is so cute because we'll play movies, we play music videos. Bia loves to play ASMR videos that help keep her clients entertained. I think it's such a great idea when they're getting services that take quite some time. But come on over, let me show you Bia's nail stations. These are her nail stations. I think they look so cute and aesthetically pleasing. They're so clean and minimalistic, and that's something that I absolutely love about her stations. This is her nail polish wall with so many beautiful colors. And let me show you her newest addition to her station is this fluffy, comfy chair. Have you guys seen that chair on TikTok that you can crisscross your legs on it? That's this chair. Let me try it out. I've never sat on it. I always see it. So let's see how comfy it is. Ah, that's actually really comfy. I like that. Good choice, B. All right, and then here, you know, you put your hands here, you get your nails done. If you want to take a little nap, you can. I love getting my nails done with her. Look how good she does. Anyways, enough of her stations. Let me show you my permanent jewelry station next. Here is my permanent jewelry station where I display our permanent jewelry collection that we have, as well as some charms and one of our newest additions, which is jewelry cleaner for any jewelry. To be honest, it doesn't just have to be for PMJ, but you can use this for anything. It actually works amazingly. And the newest addition to our station is this beautiful softbox that actually lights up, but I totally forgot the portable charger that connects to this. So you guys have to stay tuned for that. But isn't it lovely? I love how minimalistic and chic it is. I also have 2 little carts that I store all my PMJ products with, which is right here. And these carts, I'm gonna be honest, they're not my favorite. I actually need some advice and help to figure out what I want to do with it, because I want something that goes down here and fits under this desk, but I can't seem to find something. So if you guys have some ideas, suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. I want something clean and minimalistic. But enough with my PMJ station. Now I want to show you where the magic happens. Come on. These are my lash stations. I absolutely love these lash beds. I've had many lash beds in my lifetime, but these have been one of the best investments, and let me show you why. These are not only super plush and comfy when you lay on, but they're ergonomic and remote control operated. I can adjust the height of not only the bed, but the footrest, the bed rest. Every little section of this bed adjusts completely. So I absolutely love that about these beds. But enough about them. Let me show you where I store all my products. Come on. This is my product drawer. Here's where I store all our lash lift and brow lamination stuff. I use Eliplex Profusion. I love their stuff. I also have some concealer when I do brow waxes. I like to conceal under the eye, and just a couple of other things that we use for our services, so like some rods. And that's what we have in this specific drawer. If we move on to this other drawer, I have gloves, masks. I also have these little things that I give to my clients after specific services. And then in this other drawer, we have our glues and just some miscellaneous stuff. This is the glue that we're currently using. It's my favorite glue so far from London Lash. I know I've tried a couple of their different ones, but this one so far works for my environment. That other drawer is my junk drawer, so I'm not showing you that. Let me show you how this works. This is my little glue storage box. So I love how this thing works. If you shake the glue, it really mixes all the ingredients so well and ensures that you have the best mixed product. And that's how you use that. This is a good investment. I highly recommend that. Enough of my lash beds. Let me show you my favorite wall in the whole studio, which is my Polaroid wall. This wall, when I saw it, I told Bia, I was like, I want this to be a Polaroid wall, and she was all for it, which was amazing. And we're still working on it. We gotta fill it up, but we have really cool Polaroids, and I can't wait to fill it all up, and I'll show you guys once it's done. Now I'm gonna show you our little baby storage unit. It is where we store all our supplies. We each have a section in here. We sterilize our tools in here. Here's where we store our snacks. Anything that we use for the studio that we don't want our clients to see, we put it in here. In here, we also have a little microwave and a retro fridge. And we have 2 bookcases. One is mine, one is Bia. Here's where I store all my lash products. Bia still stores all her nail products, her disposable products as well, and anything else that we use. And then we have these little things that we're constantly getting tangled on. I can't believe we have them still. They're a nightmare, to be honest, but what we do for the aesthetics, right? Now let's walk over to our pedicure station. This station and this corner right here is still a work in progress. We actually don't know exactly what we want to do with it, but you know, we're working on it. We just added this mirror that I absolutely love. I feel like it makes it look a little bit more vibrant and open and just a little bit more airy. But what really, really stands out in this specific section right here is our skylight above. This skylight is honestly what sold me about this place. It's just so pretty and it brings in so much natural light, and our plants love it. We love it. As artists, we're constantly creating content. So it's a really good area to help us bring in that natural light that we need when we create content. But with that being said, this concludes our studio tour. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Tatiana Garcia. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That will really help me out a lot. I appreciated hanging out with you, and I hope you enjoyed the studio tour as much as I did giving it to you. With that being said, I gotta go because I want an espresso martini so bad. So I'll see you later. Bye.
Too dark.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.